Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Fire Island Inlet, New York to Moriches Inlet, New York, out 20 nautical miles until 11:30 p.m. At 10:54 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated line thunderstorms, producing strong winds over 35 knots from 5 nautical miles southeast of Hayrod Point to 17 nautical miles south of Moriches Inlet, moving northeast at 40 knots. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Wednesday morning for southern Connecticut and southeast New York. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. for the following marine location: Fire Island Inlet, New York to Moriches Inlet, New York, out 20 nautical miles. For the following areas.